Yeah, moving on with SHIB. SHIB is still looking precisely nice. Okay, really nice. Inverse head and shoulder, and you're still maintaining this inverse head and shoulder. So that's your left shoulder here. You got your head there. You got your right shoulder here. It's just a matter of time that you come in and break this level, and then you start to move to the upside. So if this right shoulder was to be destroyed, then we're looking for a loss here of nearly 4.6%, but you can actually end up with the 23% move to the upside for SHIB at the moment. So it's really beautiful. It's a nice, good, left shoulder head here and the right shoulder there. So you can actually be lucky even if you make an entry here. Can actually perhaps come up, break this level, and try to move up to that level once again. So it's pretty much a very straightforward update. Whatever this is, it's better to trade on a confirmation. You actually just come up, break this level, come for the retest, hold the retest, and then boom, you're really good to go up to 1488, and that would be amazing. That would be really amazing. So all in all, the structure is looking quite good at the moment. You do have different inverse head and shoulder. You have another head and shoulder here. Previously, it actually played out with this left shoulder, the head, and the right shoulder came down, break this neckline, and you can see it actually pretty much went to the target. Okay, so it's doing a nice, good chart pattern right now, at least for now. But the issue is we need a breakout and a retest, and that's where you can actually be more confident with the trade. Okay, so in here can actually be a risky risk, and you can take that risky risk thing if you want to take that risky risk thing, and you can get lucky, and then you can get the profit whatever, and that would be amazing, right? But to me, it's always good for breakout confirmation and then boom, move to the upside, and that pretty much gives you a nice, amazing confidence that hey, it's up from there. And that's it for this SHIB. Let's talk about the next one, which is going to be Polkadot.